In this brand new video, you will now discover conditional statements in Python, its syntax and how to properly use logical and comparison operators, so you can control the execution flow of your program. Please, do not forget to smash that like button, for the YouTube algorithm, since it does really help supporting us, and providing new free content, once a week. Are you interested to be part of this community? All the links are in the description below. Now, let's play this video. Nested conditionals. When you have an if statement inside another if statement, this is called nesting, in the programming world. It does not have to always be a simple if statement, but you could use the concept of if-else and even if-ELIF-ELSE statements, all of them combined, to form a more complex structure, and check multiple conditions, in a given code. Although the indentation of the statements makes the structure apparent, nested conditionals become difficult to read, very quickly. In general, it is a good idea to avoid them, as much as you can, since indentation is the only way to figure out what is the level of nesting. An if statement, present inside another if statement, which is present inside another if statements itself, and so on, is pretty difficult to read, right? But, let's have a look at one example, of nested conditionals. If expression 1, statements. Else, if expression 2, statements. Else, statements. The outer conditional contains two branches. The second branch, else, contains another if statement, which has two branches of its own. Those two branches could contain conditional statements, as well. You see now, how quickly this could become difficult to read, and even code yourself. If you liked this video, please, do not forget to give a thumb up, and subscribe our channel. Digital Academy, learn free. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe. Hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.